Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best arena goggles is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any swimmer, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out. Finding the right pair can significantly enhance your performance and comfort in the water. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of arena goggles, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the competition, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Arena The WIN Unisex Swim Goggles. Introducing the Arena The WIN Swim Goggles. This stylish goggle is designed for supreme comfort and performance. It adapts to most swimmers' faces. The exclusive orbit-proof seals prevent water leakage. They avoid areas around the eyes that compromise suction. This ensures optimal all-round visibility. You will have a clear vision in the water. The WIN Mirror Swim Goggle is watertight and won't fog up. It features a self-adjusting nose bridge and a split strap. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Great for recreational and regular swimmers. It's also suitable for triathletes and open water swimmers. This goggle will fit perfectly regardless of your facial structure. What we like. This goggle is designed for a watertight fit, ensuring no leaks and maximum comfort. It features an anti-fog coating for clear vision and a secure fit for all-day wear. If you are looking for a goggle that provides a perfect fit regardless of your facial structure, this is the one for you. What people say. Anti-fog works well. Wider range of vision than Speedo and a little more comfortable than Speedo. They are very flexible and light and unbelievably leak-proof. Number 4. WIN.MAX Polarized Swimming Goggles for Adults. These goggles feature crystal clear PC lenses with 100% UV protection. They allow you to see clearly and offer a stereoscopic vision effect. It's perfect for any swimming environment. Made with a full silicone frame and zero PVC, this design is hypoallergenic, soft, and long-lasting. The self-adjusting nose bridge and anti-slip straps ensure a comfortable and secure fit for various face shapes. The 3D silicone gaskets create a perfect watertight seal. You won't have to worry about leakage or painful water ingress. Enjoy your swim without any distractions. These goggles have anti-fog curved lenses for a 180-degree clear view. The streamlined design enhances your swimming performance. The safety glass technology protects the lenses. Each pair comes with a premium microfiber cleaning cloth. If you have any issues with the product, please let us know. We are here to help. What we like. These goggles offer crystal clear vision with UV protection, perfect for both indoor and outdoor swimming. The anti-fog lenses ensure a clear view, and the comfortable fit makes them ideal for extended use. If you like clear vision and comfort, this goggle is a great choice. What people say. The goggles themselves are stylish and very comfortable on the face. The adjustable straps feature a simple button release for easy and quick tweaks. Overall, these deliver on the anti-fog, anti-UV, and no leakage promises without any gimmicks. Number 3. Arena Cobra Ultra Swipe Racing Swim Goggle. Introducing the Arena Cobra Ultra Swipe Racing Swim Goggle. This goggle is designed for competitive swimmers, offering superior performance in the water. It's a top choice for those seeking speed and clarity. The innovative swipe anti-fog technology is a key feature. Simply swipe the lenses to reactivate the anti-fog coating and enjoy crystal clear vision. This ensures you can focus on your race without distractions. Designed for both men and women, this goggle provides a comfortable and secure fit. The unisex design ensures that it suits a wide range of face shapes. You'll find it easy to adjust and wear. Built for racing, this goggle minimizes drag and maximizes your field of vision. Its hydrodynamic design helps you cut through the water efficiently. It's the perfect tool to help you achieve your best times. The goggle is designed with comfort in mind, featuring a secure fit and soft seals. It prevents water from entering and reduces pressure around the eyes. You can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. What we like. This goggle is designed for racing, with a low-profile design to minimize drag. It offers enhanced peripheral vision for a wider view and is hydrodynamic for speed. If you are a competitive swimmer, this goggle will give you the edge you need. What people say. They are comfortable, provide excellent peripheral vision, sleek and stylish, and allow for easy adjustment with different nose bridge sizes. No leaks, the best quality. Love the look and feel. Clear visibility. Dirt goggles I ever had that don't fog up. The moments that they do before I get in the water completely, the thumb swipe works great. Just as it says. Here are different nose pieces for different size faces. I used the smallest one. Number 2. Arena Spider Junior Swim Goggles. These goggles are perfect for junior swimmers aged 6 to 12. They're designed with comfort and safety in mind, making them a great choice for young athletes. Made with soft, hypoallergenic silicone, these goggles provide a comfortable fit. The seals keep water out, ensuring a clear and enjoyable swimming experience. The hard, non-mirrored lenses have an anti-fog coating. This feature ensures a crystal clear view, allowing the wearer to see clearly underwater. Featuring a single silicone strap with an easy push-button click, it's simple to adjust. This design allows kids to easily adjust the goggles themselves. This goggle provides a snug fit that prevents water leakage. The self-adjusting nose bridge adapts to the face, ensuring a watertight fit every time. This comfortable youth goggle is a practical and safe solution. It's tailored for young swimmers looking for total comfort and ease of use while swimming. What we like. This goggle is designed for young swimmers, with easy adjustment and a comfortable fit. The anti-fog lenses ensure clear vision, and the secure fit prevents leaks. If you have a child aged 6 to 12 who loves swimming, this goggle will provide comfort and ease of use. What people say. They fit comfortably on both boys and girls in the recommended age range, and the fogless lenses really help keep vision clear throughout swimming sessions. The straps are easy to adjust and stay secure without pinching or slipping. No leaks, no fog, tinted lenses, and an easy strap with a clip. Number 1. Arena Python Racing Swim Goggles, Unisex, Anti-Fog. Introducing the Arena Python Racing Swim Goggles. These goggles are designed for both men and women, offering a comfortable and secure fit for all your swimming needs. Say goodbye to foggy lenses. The Arena Python goggles feature anti-fog technology, ensuring clear vision throughout your swim. This allows you to focus on your performance. These goggles are built to prevent leaks, so you can enjoy your swim without distractions. The design ensures a tight seal, keeping water out. Designed with comfort in mind, the Arena Python goggles feature a comfortable fit. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. The dual strap system provides a secure and adjustable fit. It keeps the goggles in place, even during intense racing or training. Choose the lens that suits your needs. Whether you prefer a mirrored or non-mirrored lens, these goggles offer excellent vision in various lighting conditions. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor swimming. What we like. This goggle is built for racing, with a focus on performance and comfort. It features anti-fog technology for clear vision, and a comfortable fit for extended use. If you are looking for a goggle that combines speed and comfort, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These work great. No water gets in, they're very comfortable, and the size is just perfect for adults. The tinted lenses also help a lot with the sun reflection, so he can swim comfortably even outdoors. They fit the face, they maintain streamline during dives. They do not flip up and back down and fill with water. They contour and remain in place. The Python goggles sport a cool snake eye shape that screams style. The curved lenses not only make you look like an underwater superhero but also amp up your peripheral vision. They've got mirrored and non-mirrored options, so whether you're battling the sun or indoor lights, you've got choices that match your vibe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.